I am right now next to the tallest structure in the world, and that is Burj Khalifa. Here we go. Obviously, everybody wants to be at the top of the world. Oh, 122, 123, 124. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Wow. This is Ashish Matthew, and I am right now next to the tallest structure in the world, and that is Burj Khalifa. And here it is, 2,722 feet above the sea level, and there are around 58 escalators and 8 elevators. So probably this is one of the most amazing structure I've ever seen. You got to park your car in the Dubai Mall, and then you got to come walking here, and then this is where you got to see it. The ticket charge is somewhere around 150 bucks, 150 dirhams per person, and for kids below 3 years are free. So please do visit. I'm not able to believe that I'm right next to Burj Khalifa. I've just seen it in the TV. So for the first time, we're just going inside. We are just going to 124th floor because this ticket is valid only till 124th floor. The floor is up to 180, yes. 180, and 154th floor there is a cafe. So we will be allowed only till 124th floor, and there will be a water fountain as well. You can see it from the top. So all set, excited. Here we go. Alright, so here is the queue. Enter over. Hashtag Burj Khalifa Natal, your snap will be appearing here. Yeah, so all these guys have just put their snaps with the hashtag of Burj Khalifa. So obviously everybody wants to be at the top of the world, and we are in the queue. It is very much crowded. Just imagine, and this is a Christmas season. So exciting. Photo shoot, thank you so much for the photo shoot. Those who want to go inside, they can actually take a snap. It was a thorough checkup. Namle airport la kanatilla, belt urua, watch urua, bag urua, everything. So we had a thorough checkup as well, and and there was a photo shoot as well. So here is another structure. Just check this out. It's just a small structure of Burj Khalifa. So you can see the sea layout, and there is the light structure. Something like water is falling from there, and it is just flowing over the sea. Adiboli. And that was the photo session which I was just talking about. Molo to go up. So there is a small elevator. So as I told you, there are some 58 elevators and 8 escalators, okay, in this particular building. And we're just going to the top of this world. And 124th floor is the floor which we can actually go. And there is up to 180th floor. And 154th floor or cafe on there. Okay, and this took around 5 years to get completed. 2004 it started, and 2009 it got completed. So I am very much happy, and the most happiest person in the world. Oof, Burj Khalifa. Escalator lo to kerandu, and check this out. This is how the structure is of Burj Khalifa. Just the beginning, and this is the 3rd floor. And we're just going up. I'm gonna show you guys each and every moment of this lovely time. Photo session and all. So they will actually give us those snaps, and we got to pay for it. Okay. So these snaps, it will look something like I am looking at the Burj Khalifa, or my family is looking at the Burj Khalifa. So this is the one, and here is the other ticket. It has costed me somewhere around I had to pay around 150 dirhams, 150 dirhams, and 2 tickets. Kids below 3 years are free. So we are going to go to the order structure. We are almost elevated. Almost 1 hour, we had to just wait for the queue. So finally the elevator. Alright, so we're just waiting for the elevator to start. Anyway. We are entering the elevator, and Alright, so here we go. Woo! Wow. Every second 3 floors. My God. Jesus. This is elevator.
Crazy. Virtual getting in elevator.
Guys, check this out.
Virtual getting in elevator.
Alright, so we have reached 79, 80, 83, 84, 85. Each second, 3 to 4 floors. 94th. And we are in Century. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh God, I guess fingers are getting closed.
Yes.
122, 123, 124. Jesus Christ. Wow. Oh. Alright, so we are in 124th floor. And Jesus. Oh my God. There's no place to stand. Yeah, let's go there. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. And we are on the top of the world. Monday probably we are on the 124th, 185th floor. 124th floor. There is a cafe, and a lot of people standing here for the sessions. And I cannot put the flash on because it is not allowed here. And it is 6 p.m. right now. And probably in another 10 minutes there will be a fountain, a musical fountain which starts from there. Oh, lucky enough to see this, man. This photo session we need to just pay and then get the snaps. Alright, so yeah, definitely. Man, it is cool breeze and probably one of the luckiest to ever seen this. Wow. This 124th floor, if you want to have cafe or any of these things, snacks, it is available. So the price is fine. It's not very expensive, is what we said. Sorry. We can actually claim it from this place. So we can claim the snaps from this place. And these are the place that they have taken around 7 snaps for us, and they've charged around $340. In the other So here is a snap. Alright, so let's go. We are done with the Burj Khalifa ride. So we have just gone to the 120th floor. So now we are waiting. Here is a fountain show. 7 manikku, sharp 7 o'clock in the evening. Just check out the view, man. This is a look. Wait just to go. I guess the people were still waiting to go up. A huge rush. But let me tell you, the best view in my life. And let's wait for the fountain show. And this is the last thing. Probably I'll be signing off from here. Thank you so much.